Hey my beauties, Biancacharisma here, and today I'm going to show you how to get this unicorn inspired hairstyle, so keep watching. First step you want to do is do 2 high ponytails. So I'm using some Eco Styler gel just to make sure my hair is nice and slick, and I'm going to start braiding the back ponytail to create my first bun. This bun is just basic, and the front one we're going to make a little bit more intricate. So you want to take 2 sections from your braiding hair, one from the blue pack and one from the pink purple pack, and we're basically going to start to incorporate our color into this hairstyle. The first thing I'm doing for this first section of hair is using a rubber band to create basically like a guideline, so you know where to start to braid in that braiding hair. And if you guys are like, hey, where did you get this hair from? What products did you use? I will put everything in the description box, so make sure after this video, or you know, while you're watching this video right now, click the description box so you can see everything that I am using. So now what I'm doing, I went from braiding the hair to twisting the hair. So that is what you're going to want to do. You want to braid it just to really secure the hair into the ponytail, and then you want to twist it so you can really see the colors integrated together into the front of your bun. So we're going to twist around and around, and basically we're doing a ninja bun in the front. So you really want to make it look how you want. If you want more color at the bottom, make sure to add the color. Since the color goes at the bottom, make sure to, you know, do that last. If you want it at the top, do it at the top. Kind of just make it your own when you're working on a ninja bun in the front. Now what I'm doing is I'm basically using the rest of that braiding hair, and I am making a ponytail, and I'm going to attach that ponytail to the back bun in the back of my head. Pretty easy to do, and I just love how the colors look all meshed together. So yeah, super cute. So now let's start braiding. I'm going to braid a French braid in the back part of my hair. And excuse me guys, I'm feeling a little under the weather, so my voice may sound a little bit different. But I had to get this video up because I was just feeling super inspired, and this unicorn hairstyle turned out so different and cool and unique and cute. So anyway, so I secured a rubber band at the bottom of my braid, and I basically pull the French braid a little bit to create a jumbo braided effect, and I pulled my braid to the other side of my head, excuse me, so that I can create a side jumbo braided ponytail. So secure that with some bobby pins, and this step is optional. I'm using the gold string. It's really cute just to add as an accessory to your hairstyle. I have gold accessories. I love matching accessories, so that's pretty much why I'm adding the gold string. You can get it from your local beauty supply. And now what I'm doing is I am gotta lay those baby hairs down. So lay the baby hairs down if you want to. This is for sure optional. And then after you lay those baby hairs, make sure to set your baby hairs with a scarf, and keep that on. Do your makeup, and also we're going to work on the bottom part of this hairstyle. So I'm not going to lie, the braiding hair did get really stiff at the bottom. I had to dip it in some water. And basically I'm doing a 2-strand twist, and at the bottom I'm doing a French braid to secure that 2-strand twist so it doesn't really unravel. And I liked how it actually looked at the bottom. It kind of gave like a cotton candy effect. So voila, my makeup is done. and the hairstyle is pretty much finished. So you guys, I love how this came out. It's super cool, super creative, really unique, and I hope that it inspired you to try something new. Please like and subscribe my video, and I will see you guys in my next one.